do this, no big deal.
で、一蘭ラーメン。
She's so pretty. Good morning, besties. I was not going to vlog, but today is so exciting. I don't think I can skip out on this because our modular couch just got delivered. If you've been following us on IG stories, there actually is a futon shop showroom now in Seattle, which this video is not sponsored at all. Let me just show you because I have been dreaming of getting like a modular cloud couch for forever, and she finally got delivered. This is what she looks like. She's like still in all the packaging and everything, so I need to unpack that. But we've got 5 sections plus a little modular ottoman here. But this is the current state of the house. Like there is pillows everywhere up the stairs and all this stuff. When they initially came, they were like, we can't bring it upstairs for you, like you have to do it yourself. And I was like, do you see me? I'm literally so small, there's no way. And like none of this stuff would fit in the entryway, so you guys would simply not be able to deliver. But they kindly called the futon shop, they figured it out, and they brought it up the stairs for me. Thank God. I am going to unbox this, but I'm literally so stoked because I've never had a real couch in my life. This is my first real couch. I guess I'm gonna start. Should I start with the ottoman? I should probably end with the ottoman. I'm gonna move this out of the way. There is like plastic wrap and stuff I obviously have to remove. And then I feel like Kevin being in residency like really forces me to be independent because there isn't like anyone to help me with this stuff. Like I just have to do it on my own. I'm pretty sure I have to like screw these legs on. I can do it. We can do this, no big deal. We can figure this out. Okay. Where do these even go? I'm confused. There's no like hole? Just oh, is it here? No, that's not right. Do I just hammer them into the, is there an instructions manual? It's moments like this where I'm like, I am a strong, independent woman, but like also, how does this work? Like there's no holes on the couch, so I have to put this in somehow. Like, do I use it? Is it a hammer? Is it a screwdriver? Is it a power drill? Like with this one being incredibly helpful with the unpacking process. Bajos, you're cream color just like the couch. So Kevin gave me permission to try to assemble one, and if I break it, then I'll stop. I've never used this before. I see that the attachment is right here. How do I take this out? Like, do we just pull? Is there a safety lock? How to remove attachment on Ryobi power drill. Oh, perfect. Hi, babe.
Hey, gotta see a patient, but
okay, how do I remove this tip?
You just grab hold of the end.
What?
And
there's a thing that keeps it into place in the front.
Say hello, I'm in the vlogging. I turned where? Turn this way?
Right behind there. Right behind
turn
the
this?
plastic. Yeah, turn that. That should loosen it.
Okay. And then it's this one, right? The one that's attached to it? It looks like the right one. And then what do I do? Turn it?
You have to tighten it.
It doesn't look like, oh. Is that in all the way?
You can also find other attachments. Does that fit the screw head?
I don't know. That is a good question. Let me check. It fits!
Okay, just be careful.
Okay.
Is it long enough?
This is what the thing looks like. And then I have to stick this in here. I'm imagining it just goes until it stops here.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna try it. Are you nervous? You don't feel good about me doing the power tool stuff. You don't have faith. You don't believe. You don't have faith in the system? Guys, I'm crooked in the wood. What should I do? Should I pull it out? Do I keep going? Whatever, I'm just gonna keep going. Okay, let's see.
Hi, here's a present.
Had a bad day.
release because I am the first time I'm going to work during the day in like a month.
Yeah.
You're not a professional screw master.
I am not a professional screw master.
Why do you?
It was very distressing just looking at all the stuff.
I'm sorry. Is it going to be there?
One of my lovely followers, I think she crocheted this beautiful blanket for us. So it's gonna go on this lovely couch as soon as we assemble it. Right, doctor?
Are you sure that I can do it?
You must do it. We don't have any
Yeah,
choice.
Figure out a solution. It's not the most elegant solution.
Yeah.
Hello, housewife.
Show them what we made.
You made ramen. Oh, look at the bouquet. This is pretty good.
So this is the Ichiran ramen.
So it actually comes in a like instant container. So this is one of Japan's most famous ramen places. It's like the one where you have like the single stall. I've had it in Japan and it's really good. So we thought we would buy the instant one to try it out. We're giving like college student vibes today, but we have a standing desk and we're just gonna stand here and eat. First bite. I think mine just doesn't have enough soup.
I would take some soup if there are leftover soup.
Dang, that really is very good.
Oh, it's very rich.
I like it. Oh my god.
Is it just powder?
The egg.
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't it give you like the feeling that we like just moved in or something?
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
It's
so
like
slurping ramen. Is it good or is it bad?
It's good. Yes, the most sound means good.
It means that it's yummy. So you want to slurp and make a lot of sound. Here's what the couch looks like so far. We've got a little sectional. So we've got 3 pieces going this way. Got another 3 pieces going this way. This one doesn't have a corner. Now we have to put all of these cushions on there. Butters is clearly enjoying his time here. The pieces have really come together. This is our first time having like a real couch. Oh.
Can't watch the movie. Can't watch the episode of the Obi-Wan Kenobi here. Can't do this.
Water!
Wow, this is so
I need
nice.
water! Hello. I have my retainer in. I asked you guys the other day on Instagram and you guys wanted to see more like real unfiltered stuff. And so I thought I would vlog this. But I'm going to bed right now and this one, he's in his scrubs because he's on call. And the way that this works is actually kind of traumatizing if I'm being really dead honest. So I'm gonna just show you. Hello?
Mm-hmm.
Are you awake?
Mm-hmm.
Are you sleepy? So we have this really lovely pager right here, and when Kevin gets paged, it will literally make this like absurd sound. There isn't like a nice ringtone or anything. It's just like a very annoying blaring sound, and I have to sleep next to Kevin, and so when it goes off, we both get to hear this lovely sound. At the beginning of the year, Kevin used to get paged so often. Like somehow, like knock on wood, it has been not as bad these last couple of months. But when the pager goes off, Kevin obviously has to like call him back and whatever. But I usually also get woken up, and so I'll try to at least get up and like pat his back and make sure he's okay. Are you happy I don't kick you out? And I let you still sleep here? Why do you sleep in your scrubs?
Because I'm comfortable.
Yeah, and it's also convenient, right? If you really have to go in, you can just pop out of bed. Hi friends, so earlier today I hung out with my friend Joyce, who's a dermatologist, and got some brunch, and I also stopped by downtown Seattle. But I have quite a couple of boxes here, most of them things that I ordered from Amazon, as you can see. I actually posted a poll on Instagram stories the other day, and I asked you guys if you felt closest to me via Instagram, via YouTube, or via TikTok. And I was so intrigued that Over 90% of you guys said that you felt closest to me on Instagram, but I was surprised that more of you guys didn't say YouTube. And most of you guys just said that because on Instagram it's more real time, and I feel like it's more like unfiltered. I'm filming like hours and hours of footage, but it ends up getting cut into just like 10 to 15 minutes. And so inevitably like things get cut out, especially if I'm like ranting or something. I almost always cut it out because to me, I feel like it's so boring. But maybe for you guys, like those are actually the moments that you get to know me the best. But I wanted to ask you guys, because you guys are actually on YouTube watching this video right now. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you feel like you get to know me the best on YouTube or if on Instagram. I would love to know that because I felt really disappointed by the results because I feel like my YouTube community is something that is so special to me and I work really, really hard on these videos, but clearly there's room for me to improve. First package is from Peach and Lily. I love their stuff. Ooh, this is so pretty. So this is their ginger melt oil cleanser. So thank you, Peach and Lily. We'll definitely be using this. I guess my biggest fear is that I never want to come across inauthentic or not my true self, but inevitably with editing, like I think parts of it just get missed. I don't know, I've been kind of going through a rut with YouTube too, like not totally sure of the direction I want to go. So if y'all have suggestions, I would love to hear it. Next up, I got some really exciting stuff. This is the Gotchland Fabric Water Shield. I feel like this is the wrong one. No, I got the wrong one. Okay, so Pat sent me this picture and she said I had to get the Full X, which I already have, and I have to get the fabric protector, which obviously is not what I got. Oh, this is the exciting package, okay. She did get an iPad mini. She is investing, but I remember when like I was little and like getting an Apple product was like such a big deal, and it still is, but I feel like it kind of has lost its magic. Oh, shit. Why is this so hard to open? Ooh, okay, are you guys ready? I'm so excited for this. Oh, she's so pretty. So the reason I got the iPad mini is because I would love to, I didn't order a screen protector. Anyways, I ordered this iPad mini because I wanted to be able to draw stuff like for thumbnails and for videos. I'm really big into editing, and so I want to make sure that I am editing like cute stuff. I've been wanting to do this for like literally 2 years now, but I'm finally buying the iPad. I had already ordered the case on Amazon. We're gonna put her in this little case. I'll link these down below in case you guys are interested, but I love this case already. Like, she's so cute. I'm gonna pop her in there. Oh my god, she fits perfectly, as she should. She comes with a little keyboard thing, and it's very compact. This is a very expensive haul. I don't normally spend this much money, but I did also get an Apple Pencil. And the funniest thing is that you guys know I'm an introvert. Like, I will not talk to a human unless I absolutely need to. So I went to the Apple store and I literally could have bought it there, but there was humans there and there was a line. So I ended up just ordering it on Amazon because they had free 1-day shipping. Why would I talk to someone when I don't need to? Oh, she's beautiful. This is the brand new 2nd generation Apple Pen. I'm gonna tuck her in there. Ah, she's so cute. She fits perfectly. That's probably the most exciting part of this haul. And I don't actually know what's in this last one. So let's see. This one is the Folix cleaner. We're about to run out of the other bottle. If you have never used this and you have carpet or couch or like literally anything cloth in your house, you have to buy this because this is like the magic thing on TikTok that literally gets rid of all the stains. And I'm not gonna lie, I've used it for like other purposes too. If you have like weird like molds or like whatever, this will literally get everything off. I don't know what's in it, but you should probably wear gloves because clearly it's very, very strong.